I'm Ashley. I'm here at the Winchester Spa in South Carolina with the owner, Diana.
Hi.
Hi. We are so excited to be here helping them launch permanent jewelry. Actually, you've already launched it. So you have some girls that have done it already. I talked with some of them that said that they've already done like 6 or 7 bracelets in the past. They're super excited about it. How has your staff and your clients kind of experience with permanent jewelry been so far?
Oh, they're loving it.
Mm.
And people are asking on social media, where do we go? What do we do? And now knowing that the Winchester is going to be that number one top of the mind awareness for it,
Yeah.
we're super excited. And the staff's loving it.
Good.
They're all blinged out.
Showing it all.
Yeah,
I saw them over there. I love that you've named all your chains after your whole staff. Everyone has their own chain.
Yes.
So they feel connected to it in a way. So they got so excited when we brought some of ours in, like, oh, that's me. That's mine.
That's
I
right.
love that.
Yes.
So what about, how do you feel about links training versus online training versus hands-on training, that sort of thing? Can you give me a little bit of your experience and how you feel about that?
Yeah. So I had a little bit of jewelry training or jewelry experience before with different mediums. And I thought, oh, I've got this. But the welding part, I was a little nervous about it.
It can
So
be
going to Orlando with you guys was just such a confidence booster. And it
good.
gave me the tools to come back and train my team.
Yeah, I know they've said that you've been amazing at training them. And
Thank
so
you.
we just had a few people that we helped out today. Angel, she was doing some hands-on. They feel a little more comfortable. Tara came by. She was super excited and she said she's ready to go.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
ready to go.
For sure. Yeah.
So you are known for your exceptional customer service and making everyone feel welcome, making everyone feel special. Your salon does so many special touches, the cookies, the frosés, just the whole experience, the quiet room, that sort of thing. I partook in all of it to say.
Good.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. So how do you feel permanent jewelry elevates an experience for a business like yours?
Yeah. So linked in particular with the brand awareness, with the quality of the chains, those kind of things, that aligned with exactly what I was looking for at the Winchester. Um, but I think really what brings such a great collaboration with us is knowing that there's a one more thing that you can do at the Winchester that's extra special.
Yes.
You can bring my guest this morning, Miss Glover. She's an amazing teacher here in Somerville, librarian for years and years. She's bringing her daughter back. She got a piece this morning. She bought a gift card. She can't wait to bring her back. And I think that those connections and bringing something that lasts forever, something that they can share together is amazing.
I love that. I love that. We are so excited to be part of your journey. So excited to be partnered with you.
Thank you.
And I can't wait to see what you're going to do.
We're so thankful you guys are showing us the way and have come out to see us and enjoying Somerville, South Carolina.
Can you tell me a little bit about your facility? And you have so many services that you offer. It's kind of a one-stop shop. You can spend literally all day and get everything you want. Can you tell a little bit about your journey and how you came about with this?
Yeah, for sure. So we've been in business for about 7 years now, and we have 45 amazing employees, a great team of people who really enjoy taking care of our community. Our facility is about 9,000 square feet, and we do hair, skin, nails, massage, teeth whitening, permanent jewelry, lash extensions, you name it. Anything that you can do with in the health and beauty wellness.
Okay.
And we're really excited to be downtown Somerville.
Yeah.
We feel really honored to be part of that community. And
it's beautiful here. You walked me around yesterday, the town square and like all the little shops and stuff is so pretty, so cute.
We're very proud of it.
Yeah.
For sure.
That was Diana at the Winchester Spa in South Carolina. We're so excited to be part of their journey.